In business, location is everything. And at the center of opportunity stands Centrala, a premier commercial hub by Ayala Land, designed to elevate business, retail, and investment opportunities. With its prime location in the active city of Pandan Santo Cristo, Ayala City, Centrala provides high-profile areas, easy access, and a lively atmosphere that draws both clients and customers. With unrivaled access to major roads, key establishments, and the Clark International Airport, Centrala ensures your business is always at the center of opportunity. From retail centers to adaptable office buildings, every area is designed for expansion by fusing convenience and innovation, as well as style and practicality. This is more than a commercial property. It's a hub for ideas, commerce, and success. A place where businesses thrive and communities connect. Centrala by Ayala Land, where business finds its home in Ayala City. Centrala Commercial Spaces, invest in growth, lead in success.